In Cleveland, Ohio, our homes and buildings tell a story. From historic landmarks to modern masterpieces, masonry is the foundation of our city's beauty and strength. But over time, even the strongest brick and stone can face challenges. Harsh weather, pollution, and wear and tear can take a toll on your masonry. Cracks, stains, and water damage not only affect your property's appearance, but also its structural integrity.
Elevate your property with BR Masonry's expert masonry restoration services in Ohio, specializing in sealing, caulking, and washing. Additionally, we do brick, stone, concrete repair, and more.
At BR Masonry, we specialize in protecting and restoring your masonry. From tuck pointing and caulking to washing and sealing, we use the latest techniques and highest quality materials to bring your property back to life.
Since 2006, we have been committed to delivering exceptional masonry services, ensuring every customer is completely satisfied with our work.
Why choose BR Masonry? With years of experience serving Cleveland, we understand the unique challenges of our climate and architecture. Our team is dedicated to delivering unmatched quality, attention to detail, and customer satisfaction. Whether it's preserving a historic home or maintaining a modern building, we're here to help.
BR Masonry restored our historic home's brickwork, and it looks amazing. They were professional, on time, and affordable.
We had water damage in our basement, and BR Masonry fixed the issue with their sealing and caulking services. Highly recommend.
Don't let masonry damage compromise your property. Trust the experts at BR Masonry to protect and restore your brick, stone, and concrete surfaces. Call us today for a free estimate, and let's preserve Cleveland's architectural beauty together. BR Masonry, your trusted partner in masonry restoration and repair. Let's build a stronger, more beautiful Cleveland, one brick at a time.